Luck. The story of a sandhill crane. Jean Craighead George. Narration by Wendell Minor. A young sandhill crane spread his 6-foot wings and flew away. "Goodbye, Luck," called the girl who had set him free. "That's not his name," said a birdwatcher. "In Asia, where I come from, a crane is called Love." "Love is a beautiful name," said the girl, "but any bird that sticks its head in a plastic six-pack holder is going to need more luck than love." Once freed, Luck trilled to his parents. "Cracker!" His parents trumpeted from the sky. The young crane spiraled up to meet them. Together, they circled the Texas marsh. It was March. Luck's parents were preparing for their long migration north to their nesting grounds. They were memorizing the reeds and waters of their winter home for their...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?